Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to customize your Shopify store checkout page? In this video, we will guide you on how to edit the checkout page in Shopify in 2024, giving you more control over your customer checkout experience. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, make sure to go ahead and open your Shopify store, log into your account, and basically get the access to this page. Now from here and on, you will have to go to the online store right through here, and you will be able from this area to either click on view your site like this, or simply customize your website from this area. So you could go and click on customize right through here, which will eventually take you to the page builder. From here, you could go ahead and click on home page and basically scroll down and go into the checkout page. From this area, as you can see guys, you will find this message. Normally, this page is not compatible with the editor due to one of the following issues: page is redirection to unsupported URL, or page failed to load due to an error. So let's try again to fix it. Maybe it doesn't. So as you can see, it doesn't support it. Why so? Well, let me show you. There's a fun fact here. Let me just go back and go to the home page. If I want to select a plan, here as you can see, you have to pick a plan so you can have the full use of Shopify. If I try to go right now and edit whatever I want in the store, for example, by going to pages or anything, you will find that the store is actually locked and it is a password protected. So to remove the password to add whatever thing you want, you really have to add like the premium plan. So I've clicked here to remove the password. I will have to remove the password here and do a lot of things. So let me just remove it, for example, for now. Click on save, and the password can't be blank, as you can see. So to remove it, as I said, the website has to be removed, and we will have to remove the blank space, or basically the free plan and get the premium plan. And now for editing the checkout page. Shopify checkout page based practices. Before we jump into the best Shopify checkout pages, let's get familiar with principles of a good checkout page experience. So ultimately, what causes customers to abandon their checkouts is friction. Now, friction can come from many sources. It might be having to re-enter information twice, or it might be psychological. Friction about how trustworthy your brand is, how structured and how colorful is the template. This by having a clean and beautiful, well-made website can really impact if a customer can trust you, because the time and efforts can be shown on the template itself. If the template was ruined, the product page is not good enough, and the checkout page has a lot of errors, then you are 70%, you have like a 70% chance to lose the chance to get like your or the order proceed and the payment. So you will lose basically the client. That is why you have to do a lot of adjustment to your checkout page. One of these adjustments are basically to minimize this distraction at checkout. For example, cut links back to the home page, remove any ads, and ask once for information. Do not repeatedly ask for the same question. For example, do not ask for like email twice, do not ask for name twice. Just few questions that are on point and all the things that you will need. Do not ask for more. You are not going to marry someone. You are asking for your clients information just to deliver the product to them. Then offer both guest and express checkout options for those who like. There is a lot of people that they don't want to create an account, so allow them to actually buy from you using the guests as a guest, so they don't really have to create an account. Make it easy to apply discounts and coupons. Use a progress indicator and limit it to 3 steps maximum. Make it easy to access support from checkout, and showcase trust signals / social proof where appropriate, and highlight the perks such as free shipping and offer multiple shipping options, because these are crucial things. Now, since you are using Shopify checkouts, thankfully, many of these checkout optimizations comes as standard. The guys who built Shopify checkout definitely did their homework. That said, with a clear discrepancy in conversion rates between average stores and high-performance stores, what else can you do to optimize your checkout experience? Well, let's begin with some basic customizations. Now, how can we edit the Shopify checkout page? Non-Plus users. If you are a Shopify Plus customer, you have the ability to fully customize the layout of the checkout page using the checkout.liquid and checkout.scss liquid files in the theme editor section of your Shopify store's admin panel. If you're not Shopify Plus store, then you are more limited in the checkout customization you can make. However, you can still edit elements like your logo, your form length, page colors, text, and more. For non-plus Shopify stores, here's the steps to edit your checkout page. First, go to the online store section in your Shopify store's admin panel and select themes. Second, click customize to customize the themes component. Then from the left side theme navigation, select checkout. Update the banner, logo, main content area, and order summary for the checkout page. Note that Shopify stores can only edit these components to make more extensive updates to the theme layout. You need to be a Shopify Plus customer. Click Save to complete the process. Now, simple Shopify checkout page customization everyone can do is to incorporate your logo into the checkout page, ensuring that it remains visible from one page to another like Adored Vintage do. It basically makes your brand remembered and noticeable. Here also you can modify the colors of the page section, text, links, and buttons to match your brand elements instead of leaving default colors. You can also set a background image for main page content and order summary, but ensure that it does not hamper. And yeah, these like other things that you can do. You can add your brand banner, relevant image and header, which can dramatically alter the appearance of your checkout page like Karen Fincher do, as you can see right here. And how to edit checkout page for the Shopify Premium? Well, for Shopify Premium, you simply have to select Checkout Liquid, Checkout CSS Liquid, click on Preview to view the changes you made, then save. And we strongly advise against editing your checkout code unless you are an experienced coder. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. This is how you can edit your Shopify store. I hope. And yeah, well, you have to read this article once again, of course, guys, if you want to have more experience. But that was it for today's video. See you guys in the next tutorial.